The turmeric plant is a perennial flowering plant from the ginger family, scientifically known as the Zingiberaceae family. The plant itself does not grow wild, but where it is cultivated it can grow to more than 3 feet in height. Both the oil and the root have been used in Asia for thousands of years in Ayurvedic health practices. Turmeric oil contains the chemical components R-turmerone and turmerone. Both components have been shown to help our bodies with the absorption of curcumin, a strong antioxidant. And the main compound actually found in raw turmeric root and turmeric extract. I know you've probably heard of turmeric before now. Turmeric is the spice that makes curries and mustard yellow in color. Maybe you've even seen it available as a supplement at your local health food store. That turmeric powder in capsules and spice bottles comes from a root that is dried and ground. However, an option you probably have heard less about is turmeric oil. Turmeric oil is a much more powerful choice when it comes to using this spice for various health challenges. Turmeric oil, its uses and benefits. Turmeric oil may help support a healthy nervous system, as well as cellular function. When you're feeling like your nervous system needs calming, add turmeric oil to coconut milk and honey for a delicious drink. The soothing benefits of turmeric oil can be utilized by taking 1 to 2 drops in a veggie capsule. Doing this on a regular basis gives your body the antioxidant support it needs to protect your body from free radical damage. It may also support healthy immune function as well as immune response. Turmeric has the ability to support healthy glucose and lipid metabolism. To better support your metabolism, take 1 to 2 drops of turmeric in at least 4 ounces of water. Asterisk. This spicy oil is actually a wonderful oil to use on your skin. Customize your facial moisturizer by adding a drop of turmeric before applying. Take advantage of the subtle spicy and peppery flavor of turmeric by adding a drop or 2 to scrambled eggs or frittatas, plain rice, or soups for a healthy diet. Incorporate turmeric oil into your recovery routine after strenuous activity for a soothing experience. A recent study that looked at various ways of consuming turmeric has shown that cooking turmeric with oil could help your body absorb more curcumin. It's thought that when curcumin binds with fat, like the fat in olive, almond oil, or coconut oil, it's more easily absorbed by the gut in your system. And it may be that even small daily amounts consumed in this way could be beneficial for your health. Now, let's talk about how to make the turmeric oil. Ingredients: 2 cups of extra virgin coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil. Organic turmeric roots. Preparation. Rub turmeric roots on a coarse stone with drops of water which forms a smooth paste. Collect at least 2 spoons of turmeric paste. In a pan add coconut oil and heat in low flame. Add the turmeric paste to the pan and heat for a minute by continuous swirling. Switch off the flame and allow cooling. Remember not to burn turmeric while heating. Allow the oil to attain room temperature. Transfer to the clean and sterilized bottle and avoid the moisture contact. Aromatic homemade turmeric essential oil is ready. The oil can be used for skin massaging, which helps in the reduction of acne, blackheads, scars, making your skin soft and glow. Regular body massage removes all the skin imperfections, giving a healthy skin complexion. You can even add a few drops of turmeric oil to your bath water or use it in your body scrub, or make an overnight serum for clear skin. Before using the oil topically, do an allergy patch test. Apply some of the oil in a small area of your body, like your elbow. If you notice any reaction, suspend use immediately. However, if you are a pregnant or nursing mother, if you suffer from bleeding, or if you are taking any medications, talk to your doctor before using turmeric oil. Please, try it and share your experience with us by dropping your comments below. If you like this video, please, like and share with your friends. And also leave a comment below that you have subscribed to this channel. Thanks for watching.